O talent, dear parents. In order to bring a good harvest. Arirang is a traditional Korean folk song and dance that holds deep cultural significance in South Korea. The dance is often performed during various celebrations, festivals, and Project 6 will perform again the Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Grade 2 Project 6. They'll transport you to the heart of the Korea's rich cultural heritage. Get ready to be captivated by the beauty and elegance of South Korean culture as our students take you on a mesmerizing journey through their Gangnam Sune and Arirang traditional folk dances. Annyeonghaseyo, South Korea!
So mga Africans are hunters.
Dear parents po, dyan sa taas, pwede po kayong umupo. Maupo po tayo, dear parents. Again, dear parents, please be seated. Yung mga nakatayo po dyan sa taas na bahagi po ng audience. Ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grade 4 Students of Maine, wherein you explore the vibrant for the second round. Dear parents, we now come closer and take pictures and video. Huwag lang po kayong akit sa stage.
Sir James, ano masasabi mo sa kanilang costume?
It's a beautiful costume.
Why?
Because of the feather, the necklace, and the props also. So the props.
Exactly. Yun ang
for healing of wild animals as part of their culture.
Ano ba ito costume ng the teachers, diba? Hindi na ganito. Hindi ako, si Sir Aaron. Sorry na, Sir Aaron. Beautiful and fun song na naman. And also the kids, right? And yung sayo nila kanina very synchronized. Diba?
Sabi pa, wait pa.
Kasi nakikita na yung harap at the back, they are sabay pa din, diba? Ayan, baka may nakawalan pa po ng ano, ng parang arrow.
Nandiyan still, baka may nawawalan pa, Sir Harold. Meron pa din sa dulo. Baka meron pang wala.
Uwi tayo kayo lalapat?
Ha?
Uwi?
Ha?
Uwi tayo kayo lalapat?
Oo, nagbibis ka na.
So, makita yung dance namin?
Oo.
At syempre, hindi nawawala yung mga
Miss Judy? Sir, masasal na sa dito. Move ka konti para gitna sa dito.
Left. Here.
Pwede ba nilang mag-arm forward or sideward, Miss Judy, para medyo layo-layo lang sa ng konti? Arm forward, boys and girls.
I want to drink water. Joke. Paa ko ang dumi. Ano nakalagay?
Dito. Dito sa karto.
Okay, dear parents, sa mga natapos na po na performance, sige po, sige po natin ang
Saan?
Yun, umabaro.
Mamaya.
Mamaya.
Ano ni Clay? Mamaya mag-ikot-ikot tayo. Pwede pala dyan eh, no? Ah, pwede pala umupo dyan.
Pwede ba kami?
Yes.
Okay. Oo, nagka-camping.
Saan sila bumaba? Ah, yun, daan, babaan.
May cushion.
Dito pala tayo rin. Dito tayo hindi nakapunta, di ba?
Basketball ko. Par nila, ano, ay ano.
Saan?
Yung near. Uban. Bangching, bangching. Asan yung car?
Doon.
Saan?
Doon.
Saan? Bangching, bangching.
Bye guys! Tapos na performance si Arian. Si Clay naman mamaya 12:30. Balik kami. Babalik kami sa wildlife.
Ayaw ni mami mo.
Questions. Adorned with mirror work and embroidery, the dancers often wear heavy jewelry including necklace, bangles, and anklets, adding to the visual spectacle of the performance. Today, the Goomer dance continues to be cherished as a symbol of Rajasthani culture and identity. representing the rich traditions and heritage of the region. It is also celebrated as a form of artistic expression and is often showcased in cultural events and festivals that come alive through the graceful movements of our talented young dancers. Get ready to be transported to the colorful landscapes of Rajasthan as our great students showcase the beauty and elegance of the Ghumar dance. So sit back, relax, and let the enchanting rhythms and melodies of our Ghumar dance fill your hearts with joy and excitement. Namaste, India! Grade 4 Project 6. Wow, thank you, Grade 4 Project 6.
Bakit kaya may palubit, Sir James? Ikaw talaga itatanungin ko. Bakit may palubit sa gitna?
Gusto ko panood yung Grade 6.
Okay.
Ayun o.
Goodbye, Juan.
Mamaya malalaman natin para saan ba ang movie sa gitna. Rolling props, Mr. Bai! Yung totoo, maraming budget ng Grade 6. Maraming budget ng Grade 6.
Dalawa.
Very supportive ang mga parents.
Hey, sound check. Hey.
Dito sama kayo, princess.
Sound check. Ayan, habang naghahanda po ang grade 6 at project 6, dahil sa dami ng ating props, let me introduce you with their country. Tinikling often celebrated through colorful parades, a lively music, and traditional dances. These festivals reflect the diverse cultural tapestry of the archipelago, showcasing a blend of indigenous, Spanish, and modern influences. So makikita po natin mamaya yung Tinikling, Pahilas Festival, Palabena Festival, the Magdalatic, and also in their performance, you will hear the music Pamolalawen, which is popular on Ilocano folk song. Meron po ba dito mga Ilocano? Taas po ang kamay ng mga Ilocano.
Taas ang bandera ng mga Ilocano! Ayan! Ang daming Ilocano.
So I think you are familiar with Pamolino Wen. Ayan. So that's the popular old Ilocano folk song, possibly from the pre-Spanish era. It is about a girl with a hardened heart. Ay, iba pala. So matigas ang puso. Sir James, matigas ba ang puso mo?
Hard-headed lang.
Hard-headed, matigas ang ulo. Wag naman sana. What does not need her lover's pleading, it is about courtship and love. May ligawan palang magaganap.
Love. Love, love, love.
Since February is about, diba, the month of love.
Ayun pala, ang pag-ibig.
Nandito naman tukso.
Tuktok pala. Wala na kayo mga kamay dyan!
Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, masasalamat ang sila.
And video. Ang galing naman ng Pilipinas, Miss Rose.